Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix low call volume issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of low call volume. That whenever the call comes, the volume is set automatically low and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're one of them, I'm looking for a fix, so you are in the right video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix low call volume issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Without your wasting time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is check call volume level. During a call, use the volume button on the side of your iPhone 15 to increase the call volume. You can also adjust the volume in the phone app during a call. After this, then you have to do is clean the receiver. Make sure the receiver earpiece on the top front of your iPhone is clean. Use a small soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may be blocking the speaker. After this, then you have to restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates may include bug fixes that address audio-related issues. So you have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of 17.1.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can simply tap on update tonight. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. You can try setting all settings on your iPhone 15. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings to their default values. To do this, you have to scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.